You don't have a sleep problem. You have a pattern problem. Because if your sleep schedule keeps breaking again and again, it's not random. It's not laziness. It's psychology. And once you understand what's actually controlling your sleep, you realize something uncomfortable. Fixing it is not about trying harder at night. It's about what you do all day. Let's reset it in 7 days. Day 1, stop negotiating with your sleep time. The biggest mistake people make is this. They decide a sleep time, but treat it like a suggestion. Tonight I'll sleep at 11, but 11 becomes 12, then 1, then scrolling just 10 more minutes. Psychology explains this as boundary erosion. Every time you break a small rule without consequence, your brain learns this rule is flexible. So day 1 is simple. Pick a fixed wake-up time, not sleep time. Because sleep is not controlled at night. It is controlled in the morning. Your brain respects consistency more than intention. Day 2, fix light exposure. Your sleep is not just mental, it's biological. There's a system in your brain called the circadian rhythm. It runs on light. Morning light tells your brain, start the day. Night darkness tells it, slow down. But modern life breaks this system completely. No sunlight in the morning, bright screens at night. So your brain gets confused. Is it morning or night? And that confusion creates insomnia-like patterns. So day 2, get sunlight within 30 to 60 minutes of waking, even 5 to 10 minutes. No sunglasses if possible. Day 3, stop dopamine flooding at night. Your brain has a chemical that controls motivation and stimulation, dopamine. And at night, you are probably flooding it. Short videos, scrolling, fast content, constant novelty. This keeps your brain in seek mode, but sleep requires the opposite state, settle mode. So on day 3, reduce high stimulation content 1 hour before bed. Not because it's bad, but because your brain cannot jump from excitement to silence instantly. Sleep is not force. It is a slow landing. Day 4, train a shutdown ritual. Your brain loves patterns. If you repeat the same sequence before sleep, it starts predicting rest. This is called habit anchoring. So instead of random nights, create a simple 20-30-minute routine. Same order, same actions. Example, dim lights, wash face, stretch, lie down, no phone. Nothing complex, just repetitive. Because repetition tells your brain this is the end of the day. Day 5. Fix your lying in bed awake habit. This is where most people break progress. They go to bed, but don't sleep. Then they stay there for hours, and the brain learns something dangerous. Bed equals wakefulness. So the rule is simple. If you can't sleep in about 20 minutes, get up. Low light, no phone, calm activity. Return only when sleepy. Day 6. Remove time pressure thinking. This is subtle. People think, I have to sleep now or tomorrow will be ruined. And suddenly, sleep becomes pressure. But pressure activates alertness, the opposite of sleep. So ironically, the harder you try to sleep, the less your brain allows it. On day 6, stop watching the clock because time awareness creates stress loops, and sleep and stress cannot coexist. Sleep is not something you chase, it is something you allow. Day 7, lock the identity shift. By day 7, something important happens. Your brain starts adapting. But here's the final step most people miss. You don't say, I'm trying to fix my sleep. You say, I'm someone who sleeps at a fixed time. This is identity-based behavior. And psychology shows identity is stronger than discipline because discipline is effort. Identity is automatic. At this point, you are not fixing sleep anymore. You are becoming consistent with it. Fixing your sleep is not about one hack. It is about removing chaos from your daily pattern because your brain is not broken. It is just learning from repetition. And once repetition changes, your sleep doesn't need effort anymore.